Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I show you how I transformed this sun-faded, scratched up hallway table into an elegant beauty. I recently bought this hallway table at the marketplace. As I said earlier, it has so many scratches on the top, but it's structurally sound. First, I clean the hallway table with a multi-purpose cleaner and wipe off all the dirt and dust. Next, I remove drawer pulls and prepare the table for sanding. I want to expose the timber of the top of the table, so I sand it with 60 grit sandpaper. After that, I scuff sand the other parts of the table with 240 grit sandpaper in my detail sand. Next, I sand the table with 220 grit sandpaper for a smooth finish. After sanding, I wipe off the table to remove all the sanding dust. Earlier, I thought to whitewash the tabletop. That's why I sanded the top back to the timber. But I'm not happy with the wood grain on the top. It's looked like two pieces of wood joined together. So I changed my mind and decided to paint the top also. I apply primer using the brush for narrow areas and roller brush for wide areas. Now it's completely dry. I lightly sand it again. Here it is, ready for painting. I paint two coats using plain Jane chalk paint. After drying each coat, I lightly sand the table. I spray paint the bottom parts of the table legs and the drawer pulls. Once everything is completely dry, I apply furniture wax to give extra protection. Ta-da! Now see the final results. Thanks for watching the video and please subscribe to my channel to see more DIY projects. And remember to press the like button.